The mailman's here. The mailman's here. Let's see what he's got. Hey, my new camera came. I got my mail. It's Prime from Amazon. Let's see what's in here. Aha! Look, it's another camera. Well, wait a minute. It ain't the same as the last camera. Now, the last camera, it automatically tracks the person in the room. It goes back and forth like this. This is a stationary camera. And we're going to see how to set that up. We've already put the app on the phone. And we have one camera installed. So now we're going to install this camera and see how it works compared to the other camera. So let's get going here. Let's see, it's got a little sticky tab on here, so I got to cut it open. So here's the camera. It's a pretty neat little camera. Let's see. Has a little stand there. Now it will not rotate and do all that stuff on its own. You have to do it yourself. You can adjust it up and down. It goes all kinds of directions. Now this one also has two-way communication for voice. It has a speaker and a microphone right there. And I guess that's where you plug your power in, right there at the bottom one. And let's see. It has the little button on the bottom to click when you're connecting to your Wi-Fi and stuff. And it also has a slot for your SD card. So, it's a little stiff, Let's see what else comes in the box. Now they said that it would come with a little magnet and thing, but so far I haven't seen it. Okay, here it is. Here's your little adhesive that goes on the wall wherever you're going to put it. And your little metal piece that you put on there. And let's see how that works. Then you have your USB cord. And you have your wall charger. I was wondering how many amps this is, but the writing is so small that I can't see. Can you see that? How many amps is that? Can you see? I don't know. But anyway. And when you mount this on the wall, this will attach to it. Just like that. And it'll hold it on the wall. Look at that. It's pretty neat. So I don't know which one's magnet, this one or this one. Let's see. That's not magnet. Ah, this one's magnet. Yeah. So wherever you have metal at, you could stick this on it. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is, I don't have an SD card for it. I mean, I do have, but I'm not going to put it in there right now. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to the power. Hook it up to the power. I'll cut out some of this stuff. This is pretty neat, That's a pretty long cord. Pretty long cord. Now you plug the one, you plug this into the charger. And in this end, you plug into the back of the camera right here. Make sure you have it facing the right direction. You only go in one way. So now it's hooked up. So now I just got to plug in the power and push this little button back here and sync it to everything. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cover off because it's got to read the barcode. So let's go into my office here, plug it in, see if we can get it hooked up and going. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is plug it into the power. I hope you can see it because my room's a little bit of a mess here. And then I'm going to click the little button underneath the bottom here that I was telling you about so you can sync it to everything. It makes that sync. It's ready to connect.
Ready to connect.
So now I gotta go here on my phone and I'm gonna click at the top. It says add a product, and it's a Wyze camera, and I'm gonna say next, next.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
And I just did that. I'm code scanned. So I'm waiting. But I'm going to hit the WASP button on my router. This is one thing they don't tell you. Completed. So that's a step that they leave out that you need to know about. When you scan your barcode, you got to hit the WASP button on your router or it won't connect. So now, let's go back and see how it works. I heard the code, and let's see, connecting, successful, finish setup. Trying to do, sorry I get a little carried away here. Let's see, plenty, oh, we got to enter a name, we got to give it a name. So I'm going to give this, I'm just going to call it Wyze Camera, and this is the second one I got, so it's number 2, and click OK. And now finish setup. Setup successful. So now I'm going to go back, and now that one I'm going to double click on it and see if it comes up. Hey, look at that. Oh, what does this say? Don't ask again. A firmware version available. I'm going to cancel that for now. A firmware upgrade. So there it is. You can see it on the phone. It's sitting right there on the computer there. And it's working. It's working. The first time. Now I will tell you that's not the end of it. There is a lot of setup to go into these cameras when you set them up. Like if you want the sound on, you got to turn the sound on. It's just not automatically on. Ha, you hear that? Hear that echo?
Hear that echo?
Yeah. I'm going to turn it back off just so it don't do that while we're recording. Now some other settings, if you go up here to this gear up here at the top, and then you, event recording, you click on that. Detect motion, that's what I want. Detect motion and detect sound. I want it to detect sound. Now we're going to go back. Notifications. Motion. They got person off. I'm going to turn it on. I want it all on. Enable. I want to know when somebody walks in front of the camera. I want it to take a picture. I want it to send me a notification. Let's see. Detection settings. I'm going to leave them where they're at. Alarm settings. I want my smoke alarms to be detected. It will detect your smoke alarms. So I turn that button on for smoke alarms. Let's see, advanced settings. I'm going to leave all that alone for now. And that's pretty much it. So there it is. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. But this is my last camera for today. I might do another one tomorrow. So you guys stay tuned, because you never know what kind of video I'm going to come up with next. It'll probably be another camera. So like I said, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. This is Harold with World TV On Demand, signing off, baby. You guys have a great day. Look at that, that's cool.